Okay, so I walk into the living room today and Maddie is giving Elisa the spa treatment. What are you doing, Maddie? What did you just do today?
I'm gonna give her a massage right now, but right now I'm just letting her just relax for a second.
Okay. And Elisa, what do you have on your eyes?
Cucumbers.
And what are you doing with those?
I'm trying to relax. I can only relax with something on my eyes.
I see.
Lay back and relax. It is time to get this off now.
Oh, so she's giving her a facial too? You're putting facial stuff on her too, Maddie?
Now take these off and I'm going to give you a massage. Get up. Massage.
Did you do her eyebrows yet?
Oh, forgot. Eyebrows. This can feel a slight pinch.
Just a slight pinch.
Ah!
You guys are too much. Okay, video's over. Say bye.